I picked up these 3 Holy Bibles at the Dollar Tree. They were white with gold lettering. The covers were more like a cardboard. It wasn't leather, but they do look like they're leather, which made them look kind of pretty. So I grabbed 3, and I'm going to start by hot gluing them together. And just making sure I get enough glue close to the edges. I'm going to start stacking them on top of one another. Now I'm going to tape off most of the Bibles with some painter's tape and some saran wrap just to protect the rest of the books. And I'm going to take my shortcuts in the gold and I'm going to spray it across the binder. And then I'm going to remove my covering and allow this to completely dry. Once dry, I'm going to take my Love, Love, Love by a Maker Studio. You can find this at chalkitupfancy.com. And I'm going to cut some of the excess off. I'm going to lay it down because I wanted to make sure that you got the word love. And then the one that's cut off here, I'm just going to cover with some painter's tape. I'm using the white gel ink and our rubber applicators all can be found at chalkitupfancy.com. Just wipe it across and then release the stencil. You do have to wash the stencil immediately so you can use it again. It is reusable. And I think this came out really pretty because this is God's love letter to us, is the Bible, and you could still open the pages. I mixed some Republic Red and some Snow Owl in a little dish. These dishes you can find at the Dollar Tree. And I created a pink, and I painted the front and the back of this little wood heart that I also found at the Dollar Tree and allowed it to dry. Once dry, I took some of our Cleopatra Gold gilding wax. It now comes in a tube, but this is my leftover in my dish. And I just went across all the edges with the gilding wax just to give it that gold shimmer that we have on the rest of the books. I took some jute, I wrapped it around 3 or 4 times, attached my heart to the top, and this is my version of the stackable books. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.